Here's my little Zuzu pets and the Zuzu town, and introducing Bitsy. Here's Bitsy, and here comes someone that's gonna do a funny joke. Hey, what is a pine cone when it has wings? A butterfly! Now I'm gonna talk. Hi, I'm Bitsy.
Sit it down so you can see what she looks
I don't
like.
know what to say.
Put her down.
What?
Put it down so we can see what it looks like.
Oh. I have
On the
a
side.
strawberry.
Okay.
On my back. See?
Let me zoom in. He thought she was funny.
And hi, and we're gonna have some fun. Yes, a butterfly pine cone.
Okay, yay, Bitsy. Who's next?
Introducing, it's Cappuccino.
Hi, Cappuccino.
And I have a sticker falling off. I keep getting lost because it has a gross rip on it. Because it has been on here for a tired weeks.
Same now. Are you going to introduce them all? Who's next?
Now, introducing Moo. And I have a Zuzu town. I already said that. Oh. And I love this. And I'm going to tell you a joke too. Hey, wait, Mrs. Cappuccino, because he didn't get to tell a joke.
You're holding it up too far. You can't see. You can see the bottom. Put it down a little at an angle. There you go.
Introducing
I can only see the bottom of it.
Cappuccino.
There you go. That's good.
Introducing Cappuccino because he didn't get to do a joke.
He doesn't have to.
Okay, I'm gonna do a joke. Oh, I already said that. What is a moo when it's a hamster? A hamster moo.
Thank you, Moo. And who's up next?
Next is Zuzu. Zuzu, I don't have a name. It's Zuzu.
What are you, Zuzu? You're awful cute.
I'm a porcupine.
Turn him sideways. Let me see how he looks from the side.
Wait.
Oh, how cute. All right.
And I have a spacesuit on my back. And
All right.
it has ice cream cone. And Cappuccino has a moon. Wait, I'm not laughing.
You're not.
I'm not because I'm just sewing. I didn't tell you.
You think you're funny anyway. Stupid dog. Okay, are you done? Who's next? Who's next? Whoa, that didn't sound very good. Oh, boing.
That was him.
Okay, who's next?
Up is
Rocco!
Rocco. Okay. I just forgot my name.
I forgot your name. You're funny already. You're upside down. I can't see anything except for your ball. Turn over. Let me see your face.
I'm laughing.
Why you laugh upside down?
He's rolling over.
Oh. Let me see.